After experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you ensure your game saves properly and that you can continue playing without interruptions. Step 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including cloud save issues. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. For mobile users, clearing the app cache can help resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find the PUBG app and clear the cache. Restart the game afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PUBG support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken. They may have additional solutions or be able to address the issue directly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2025 in PUBG. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further guidance. Happy gaming!